Hi, it's Dr. Momi here from MedicalSpa. Today we're going to talk about fillers. The filler of choice that we like to use here is Revanesse Versa or Revanesse Lips. You get a little bit more product in than some of the competitors on the market. It lasts about 8 months to a year. There's multiple areas that you can do it in, starting from the temples, nasolabial folds, lips. You can put it in the jawline, and we also use it for acne scarring and any other surgical scars if they are depressed. We can help elevate that and make it look like a much more natural product line. What we would ask if you're going to come in for fillers is maybe don't take any aspirin, Advil, fish oils for about 3 days before you come in. That will definitely help decrease the amount of bruising. And maybe if you could also grab some arnica, A-R-N-I-C-A, from any of your Whole Foods, Trader Joe's, that will also, and start taking that 3 days before. That will help decrease the amount of swelling and bruising. If you do get some swelling and bruising, it lasts about 3 to 5 days, usually easily covered with makeup. There is a minimal level of discomfort with it. However, it's very tolerable. If you'd like to learn more about this service, please visit our website, www.anumedicalspa.com. So that's www.anumedicalspa.com. Feel free to call our office at 856-809-0909. Look forward to seeing you for your complimentary consult.